thank you so much for clicking on this video. Summer is upon us. Things are moving quickly and it's a very busy summer, so thank you for all your hard work. I'm going to give you a heads up to our next Faculty Council meeting, which will be on Osceola Campus 4105 on June 14 from 2 to 5 p.m. We'll start our meeting as always with our hello, how are you, see how everyone's doing. I'm going to talk about what's going on. Remember, if you go to the Grove, all the activities are there. But remember, we're still doing the Share the Love campaign for the Valencia Foundation. Believe it or not, we're upon the memorial time for Pulse. Every campus, different campuses are doing on June 11th or June 12th, and all the times and things are here. We'll always remember the tragedy that happened locally and involved our students. Don't forget about the Valencia College Safety app. If you haven't downloaded, please download it. There's a lot of wonderful features. We want to keep everyone safe and connected to our security. And then employee development and training. There are some wonderful classes that you may want to take. The course schedule link is here. Also, I like to put up the schedule. These aren't all the meetings that I go to, but just gives you an idea of different meetings that I attend and the different things that are going on at Valencia, with some agendas and minutes for some of them. Also, you can always go back to May to see what happened at that meeting, and then continue back if you want to see the other agendas. I'm going to recap from our last meeting. One, we're really trying to be very purposeful about connecting to our strategic plan. So the strategic plan is here. The main pillars are learning assured, build pathways, invest in each other, partner with community. But definitely check out the strategic plan to really get in depth on the different areas that we're trying to focus on here at Valencia College. Last meeting we asked for feedback about Canvas, so the feedback's here. Please always feel free to give additional feedback. They want to know and improve. And also we asked for your feedback about withdrawing after the deadline. Feedback is here. We're going to make sure there's not any last minute feedback. We're going to have a discussion on the trespass policy. The policy with the changes is located here, so you can see the original and then the changes to it. And also a clean copy with the changes already embedded. We'll be discussing this. It'll most likely come to your faculty assembly or senate meeting as well, so it gives you a heads up to it. And then we're going to ask Wendy Dew to give us an update on Canvas, the faculty incentive plan, the high impact practice plan, what's going on, any updates in her area. And then we're going to spend some time talking to each campus to see if there's any issues or concerns or things we can talk about. And then I do want to spend some time, since it's June, I'll be passing the baton in July to John Niss, who will do a wonderful job as Faculty Association President. But I do want to hear pros, areas of improvement, and future hopes and ideas for the Faculty Council in this June meeting. And then I want to spend some time celebrating. The Faculty Council has worked really hard. All of your representatives do a wonderful job trying to serve their campuses. So I do want to celebrate, so we'll have some time for that. And the last Faculty Council meeting of the summer will be July 12, 2018 from 2 to 5 p.m. at the Point Siena campus, room 125A. Point Siena has been with us all year, and we're having our first ever Faculty Council meeting at the Point Siena campus. And we will have for the Faculty Council incoming and returning members annual Governance Retreat Monday, July 16 from 2 to 5 p.m. West Campus, HSB 105. As always, if there's anything I can do to help, please don't hesitate to contact me directly, and thank you for all your hard work.